Welcome to English Conversation Hub. If your office life feels stressful, tiring, and repetitive, this conversation will sound very familiar. Let's listen to a real, natural office conversation and improve your English the practical way.
Hey, good morning. You look exhausted today.
Good morning. Yeah, I barely slept last night.
Same here. Work stress is getting too much these days.
Tell me about it. The workload never seems to reduce.
And every day there's a new task added.
Exactly. Just when I think I'm done, something new comes up.
By the way, did you attend the morning meeting?
Yes, I did, but honestly, it felt unnecessary.
I agree. Most of it could have been an email.
True, we spent almost an hour discussing the same points.
And no clear decisions at the end.
That's the most frustrating part.
Our manager talks a lot but concludes very little.
Yeah, sometimes it feels like we're going in circles.
Still, we can't say much.
Of course not. We just nod and agree.
By the way, have you noticed how busy everyone looks lately?
Yes, but I feel half of them are just pretending.
Exactly. Everyone keeps walking fast with laptops.
As if speed equals productivity.
Haha, so true.
Did you see Ray yesterday?
Which Ray? From accounts?
No, from our team.
Oh, yes. He looks stressed.
He's handling 2 projects at once.
That's too much for one person.
I don't understand why management doesn't distribute work properly.
Because it's easier to burden the sincere ones.
Sadly, that's true.
What about the new policy they announced?
You mean the work from office rule?
Yes, 3 days mandatory now.
I'm not happy about it.
Same here. Working from home saved so much time.
No travel, no traffic, no stress.
Now we're back to long commutes again.
I spent 2 hours in traffic today.
That's horrible.
And by the time I reached, I was already tired.
Yet they expect full energy.
Sometimes I feel they forget we're humans.
I know. Targets, deadlines, reports, nothing else matters.
Did you have breakfast today?
No, I skipped it. I was late.
Same story here.
We really need to take better care of ourselves.
We say that every week, though.
If you enjoyed this real-life English conversation, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Conversation Hub for more daily English practice.